Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today, we're making an Açaí Bowl. Now, this recipe was inspired from a trip I had to Hawaii, and is the ultimate way to start your morning. So, let's get started. Alright, so for the ingredients, you're going to need one frozen acai berry packet. You're going to need half a cup of 100% apple juice from concentrate. You're going to need half of a large frozen banana, half a cup of frozen strawberries, and half a cup of frozen blueberries. And now for the bowl toppings, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of honey, half a cup of honey nut granola, and for the fresh fruit, I'm using blueberries, 2 kiwi, and a banana, but feel free to choose your own favorite. Then you're going to need 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and then 2 tablespoons of coconut flakes. Alright, so to get things started, you want to carefully peel away the banana peel from your frozen banana before you add it to the blender. And so for making the acai base, you want to place the acai berry packet, the frozen banana, the apple juice, and the frozen strawberries and frozen blueberries all into a high-powered blender, and you want to blend all of that until it's smooth. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned until the end of this video for a sneak peek of the recipe coming next week. Once that's done blending, you want to pour the blend into a large size serving bowl and store that in the freezer while you prepare the toppings. And this recipe makes enough for at least 2 large bowls of acai. So for preparing your ingredients, you just want to make sure that each fruit is bite-sized and can fit in each spoonful. So I like to dice up my bananas to manageable pieces and then to finely chop the kiwi into bite-sized pieces. And make sure you remove the kiwi peel as well. And don't be like me in this video with your kiwi. Make sure you peel it before you dice it up into small pieces. It'll save you a lot of time. So when you have all of your toppings ready to go, you can take the acai bowl out of the freezer and get ready to get started. Now it's up to you how you want to customize your own bowl, but I'll show you how I like to make my acai bowls. So I start off by layering the honey nut granola on half of the acai bowl, and then on the other half I like to place the chopped kiwi. I follow that up with adding a ring of the banana slices around the edge of the bowl. And then in the middle of the bowl, I like to top it off with a handful of blueberries. Next up, I drizzle the top surface of the bowl with some honey. And for final touches, I like to sprinkle on some coconut flakes and some chia seeds. So like I said before, this recipe makes enough for 2 large bowls, and so I'm just going to repeat the same process I did for the second one. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, you can always choose your own favorite fruit. So I know a lot of people like to use strawberries and sometimes raspberries or grapes in their acai bowls, so feel free to try that too. Also, a good tip, just me personally, I like to add a little bit more honey nut granola than what you see in the video sometimes. I feel like that flavor really adds to the final result of the acai bowl. But the best thing about this recipe is that you can top the bowl with as much or as little of the toppings as you'd like. It's really customizable. So once you have the acai bowl to your liking, you can serve it and enjoy it immediately. And just like that, you made your very own acai bowl. Now, if you're looking for a refreshing and filling start to your day, you have to try this. It's packed with vitamins and nutrients, and it's the ultimate first meal of the day. And just one more tip, I would always make sure that the acai berry packet is still frozen as you add it to the blender. You want the consistency of the base to be thick, almost like a milkshake. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine, Volume 1, Finding Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll make sure to leave a link to that in the description box. Don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. And stay tuned for next week where I show you how to make this really tasty egg sandwich. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next week on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.